Hey.
Hey Kyle, what's up?
I'm expecting a big box today. It's probably going to be our new server, so could you let me know as soon as it comes in? Because the guys upstairs are all over me about getting this thing in like yesterday.
Yeah, of course.
Awesome.
I've got a box for Lyle or somebody. Is it okay if I leave this here?
Yeah, that must be what Kyle's looking for. You can
Perfect.
just leave it there.
Awesome. Thank you.
Hey Kyle, I got that box you're looking for. Okay, bye.
Is my box here?
Yeah, right there.
Ah, yes. Hey Jen, I don't think this is everything. Can you let me know if some other boxes come in?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, thank you. Hey, you got anything for me?
Yep. Is that the last one you're looking for?
I sure hope so. I gotta have this up tonight.
Good luck.
Thank you.